That day we embarked on a scenic drive along the Icefield Parkway, and I had to pause a few times for meetings along the way and to do work. And there was one particularly awkward moment occurred at Bow Lake, where I had pulled up thinking it looked very quiet and a great place to do a meeting while sitting outside. And while I was set up on the Zoom session, I had an entire busload of tourists unload and stand just outside of camera range right next to me. My coworkers never knew, but it was pretty awkward to be standing there with 20 tourists taking photos 5 feet from me. That's right, this is my office today. I just finished doing some meetings. We did early morning meetings at Abraham Lake, and then we drove in here into the Banff area, and now I'm at Bow Lake. And I just did some nice meetings with that as my backdrop.